Yo, this your boy J Soul, the R&B station of the west side of the shop. Representing that XL team, man. Look out for that new joint, Bounce and Break, coming soon. So y'all just stay tuned. I promise I got y'all, alright? Yo, look your boy up on Twitter at JSoul_shot. And also look me up on IG at JMusicKid. Shout out to J Jilla, Block Biz team. I'll let you boy.
Consistent afflicting, so bring your body my way and let me get a taste. Said I know it's been a long time.